In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and link images in Dreamweaver. Let's start by opening the page you want to work on in Design View or Split View. Design View gives you a visual, what you see is what you get layout, while Split View shows both your code and the live design side by side. Use whichever helps you feel most confident about where the image will appear on the page. Next, position your cursor exactly where you want the image to go. This matters because Dreamweaver will insert the image at that insertion point. If you're working inside a paragraph or a specific container, make sure the cursor is placed within the correct element so your layout stays organized and predictable. Now, add the image. Go to the main menu and choose Insert, then Image. If you prefer working from panels, you can also open the Insert panel and choose HTML, then Image. Both routes lead to the same result, so pick the one that fits your workflow. A file dialog will open. Browse to the image you want to use and select it. For smooth site management, keep your images inside your site's root folder so Dreamweaver can maintain correct relative paths. If the file is outside your site, Dreamweaver may prompt you to copy it into your site folder. Say yes to keep links reliable. Stick to web-friendly formats like JPG, PNG, or GIF, and use clear, lowercase file names without spaces to avoid broken links later. Click Open or OK to place the image. You should see it appear exactly where your cursor was. Depending on your settings, Dreamweaver may prompt you for accessibility attributes. If it does, add concise, alternate text that describes the image's purpose. This helps users with screen readers and improves SEO. If the image looks too large or small, you can adjust the display size. For best results, start with an image that's appropriately sized before you insert it. Avoid scaling images up, which can make them look blurry. If you're working with responsive layouts, handle sizing with your CSS so the image adapts well across devices. Since the goal is to add and link images, here's a quick tip. Once the image is placed, you can convert it into a clickable link later using the standard properties controls, directing visitors to another page or resource without changing the image itself. When you're satisfied, save your page and preview it in a browser to confirm everything looks right. That's all there is to adding images in Dreamweaver with confidence and clean site organization.